Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you just the basics of building. Right, so we're going to just go off here. So yeah, we've got to start in here. And you don't see this thing, and these like base plates, these templates. Yeah, you don't see them. Like I don't like that. You're going to be just go on new, and then we go on base plate, and then insert a pot. All of those pots. So we're gonna just start doing some editing on this part. So if you look over here, it has select, move, scale, rotate. Select is just you just select stuff. Move is kind of like just move it so it's more easier to move. Scale is like this. You just like scale it, so you could go higher, wider, or longer. Pretty cool, huh? But anyway, you can change the colour of it. If you just scale it along. Yeah, we can change the colour of it by going on the properties, go on brick colour, then you can change the colour of it, and then yeah, you have whatever colour you want really, or whatever colour there is. Material, well, let's just go with cast shadow. Cast shadow, if it's ticked off, that gets all the shadows away, but we're just going to keep that on. Materials, you have 30 materials. I'm just gonna have neon maybe. Reflectance is how much it reflects. So if it's 1, you can't really see it because you need the material to be plastic. But we're gonna keep it neon, so we don't need to even put the reflectance on anything really. Transparency is how much it's transparent, people know that. We're going to keep it on 0.75. So, name. You can change the name of it, which is call it like block maybe. You can call it whatever you want really. Orientation is just how much it's rotating. And the parent is a workspace, as you can see, but you can't really change that, so I'm not going to decide to press that. The position is the position where it is. Yeah, most of you all do that. Alright, 2. See it change a bit, but if you keep it 0, 0, 0, it goes in the normal place, which we kind of want it to stay on 1, the middle one kind of. Is that? You just go on the base plate, scale it up as far as you can go. Yeah, it's still hanging off a bit, so might put that on. The position. The position up to where the position. Oh yeah, sorry, I'm gonna put the position on to 2 maybe. Does that work or is that too high? Let's see. Yeah, 2's alright. I don't really use these 2, so I don't really need to worry about them. Anchored is if it's anchored, so if the tick was off and you put it in the air, if you just run that, it would fall, but if we kept it anchored and ran it, it wouldn't fall. So yeah. So if we go back to anchored, you don't really need to worry about archivable. Can collide is if you tick that off, you can go through. You can walk through stuff. If it was ticked on, you couldn't be able to go through it. Locked is if it's locked, you can't lock. So that's it. So like the base plate is, but we're going to keep that unlocked. There's only one more that. There's only about 2 more I'm going to show you. Actually, well, I don't really know what I'm actually about. Like 3. By the way, you can change it to whatever. You can change it to whatever you want. Well, we're going to keep it block. No, block. The size is, the size, which is like 8. Kind of like that. We're going to just keep it 5, 5, 5. And it's like a cube. But so surface inputs, I don't really use that. I do use surface though. So like if we just check on the base plate, the top surface is stood, but if you put it on smooth, it will change. See that? It just changed. So they're kind of like the basics of properties. So we're going to start doing our real building. You can put whatever you want really. It doesn't matter what you put, but I'm just going to do this. You can copy me if you want, I don't really mind. It looks alright, doesn't it? Let's keep that yellow. That could just be a normal one. Right. So you can put Control D to duplicate it. Do as many times you want. So guys, you can hear the background. You might not be able to. I've got headphones on, but you might. You can do this as much time as you want. And then this time I'm going to rotate it. If you want to do that, just go on Control R. Press Control R while you're on the block. Right, look kind of satisfying. I don't care what it's like. I'm just going to do it anyway. Yeah, that looks alright. We'll just delete those 2. Have a door. And if I just do that, you can have 2 floors, but I will put it a bit more down so you got the door. That would that's not a window. Well, you know what I mean. So yeah, that could be just a simple house. Just get it all and just press Control G and go on name. You can call it whatever you want really, like building. So yeah, if you duplicate that, we can have loads of those buildings. Looks quite cool, isn't it? You can do so much stuff with building. Build whatever you want really. You just play it. You can press F5 or go on, test. But now I'm testing. It's working, isn't it? It's not probably on the floor, but that's alright. Right, okay, I'm gonna keep jumping. But anyway, at least you know the basics of, just say building. Yeah, at least you know the basics of building. Quite cool, isn't it? You can do whatever you want. You can build whatever you want, make whatever game you want, and building is quite important. So, that's the video, guys. Hope you like the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Remember to put the notifications on so you know when I put a new video on. See you later. Bye.